So, this time we'll learn about sets in Python. Now, sets is fundamentally different from other data types as set cannot contain any duplicates. So, previously you have seen that lists and tuples will contain duplicates, but for sets all the duplicates will be ignored. So, I'll create a set using the curly brackets. So over here I have written apple multiple times and 22.5 also multiple times. Let's see the print message of this my set. So if I do print, you can see that apple and 22.5 have been only counted once and all the duplicates have been removed. Now set in Python is unordered. You have already seen that apple, we have started with apple in the declaration, but it has moved to the end of the set. So actually set is unordered. So as many times you print a set, it may be in different order the elements will occur. So also this means that you cannot get any element from the set using index. So if we do my set then 0th index, this will give me an error. So in set, the keyword true and the value 1 are actually considered duplicates. Same with the keyword false and the value is 0 is considered duplicates. So if I create a set with true, 1, false and 0, the true and 1 will be considered duplicates, so only one of them will be present in the set. Same with false and 0. So let's see. Yeah, so false and true is in the set only. Now length of a set we can find using the len keyword. So if I do print length of a set, we can see that my set, which has many elements in the declaration, but you have to remember that it actually removed the duplicates, so it has only 4 elements. So the length of this my set is 4. Now there is a set typecast. So to understand set typecast, let us start with an example. Say you have a list which has many repetitive values or duplicates. You are tasked to find the unique values present in the list. So what you can do is you can typecast the list as a set. So first I'll create this list with the repetitive values. I'll repeat the value apple multiple times and 22.5 multiple times. If I do print of my list, you can see that list actually can contain duplicates, so duplicates are over here. Now I'll also print the length of my list, so which is 7. Obviously there are 7 elements. Now I will set typecast my list, so I'll convert my list into a set and store it into this variable. Now if I do print, and I'll also print the length of this new set, I can see that the duplicates have been removed. So from this list we got the key values which are unique, and the length has been reduced to 4. Now we can add an element to a list, to a set after it has been declared. So I'll just create a new set called this set. So dot add method I am using over here to add the orange in the set. So if I do this print, I can see that orange has been added to the set. Remember though, if you are trying to add a duplicate, then it will not get reflected because that key is already present in this set. So we can update a set with another iterable, which means that we can add elements of an iterable to a set. Over here I have created a set called topical. Now this set.update method will actually add the elements of topical to this set. So if you do print of this set, we can see that this set originally did not contain pineapple, mango, papaya, but they are present in this set after the update. So we can do same thing with other iterables, for example with lists. So I actually have to update it. As you can see, the dog and cat has been added to this set. Union of two sets can be done pretty easily. So again, union does not need to have only set. It can happen between set and iterable. So union does not inherently changes the set that it is acting on. So this set, like previously this set was updated, so the value itself of this set was changed, but this time this will not be changed. So this set will stay as it is, and union will actually append the iterable after this set, and it will return the appended set. So we need to assign this to some variable to get the result. So if I print this, you can see that it has been appended. Now to remove an element, we can use dot remove, then the element itself. So if I print this set before removing and after removing, I can see that the mango has been removed. Sorry, banana has been removed. Now discard is similar to remove, but there is a key difference. We can use discard to remove a specific element, but we cannot remove a key that is not present in the list set, but we can do that with discard. So if you see over here, we have already discarded apple, but again we can discard apple, but it will not give any error. But if we try to remove apple after it has been discarded or removed, it will give an key error. So pop in set works in a funny way. So pop will actually, every time you use it, will return a random element from the set itself, and that element will be removed. So let's see, I'll do pop, then I'll print the element that was popped and this set also. So if I run this, first it has popped pineapple. If I run it again, it has this time popped orange. So every time this will get changed and a random element will be popped. Now clear does what it says. Basically it will just it will just reset this set and return us an empty set, as you can see. That's it. Thank you.